you are having an issue understanding all these kind of things you see on the Nikilive app, then this video is for you. For example, if you come across this, all they mean is that you should send any gift that is below. Either you send a bell or you send a popcorn for you to be able to win jackpots. Like, you should be for you to have a chance to win from the jackpot. If you're very familiar with Popo, you know how gambling works and how gifting works. So if you send any of these gifts from your gift box, you may be lucky. Yeah, because many people need luck on these apps, because those who are lucky on Popo can testify to this. So that's what this means. Then if you're not interested, all you just need to do is to tap on this X sign here. Just tap on the X sign and you exit it. So when you finally exited out from it, I think that is it. Then you continue your task. Then this other one that is here, so people don't know what this stands for. This down here below, where you have tax reward. This is just like, if you're familiar with Popo, you know when you check the reward center to check your minutes, this is the shortcut to check your tax. Just tap on it. Immediately you tap on this tax reward, it's going to show you your tax. Do you understand? And it's going to show you your minutes that is counting. Like you can see now, I've done my first tax, I've been doing my second life tax now, and I've been able to receive the first reward you get. So the basic tax too is also here. You can receive them, because these ones you do them automatically as you're on live stream. Do you get? So that's all about this. Then it's just like a shortcut to your reward center. For those of you that are very familiar with Popo, that's what that icon below here basically mean. Then look at it, showing you this number, showing you 6 out of 7. All it simply means is that I've done 6 out of my 7 tasks that is slated for me to complete in a day. So I'm giving 7 tasks. 2 is the major tasks, the rest are just minor tasks. And fortunately for us all, the tasks, the minor tasks are automatically completed as you are doing your live stream here. So as you're doing your live stream here, you get to the figure out that the minor tasks are also completed, because if you read what the minor tasks is, you are actually doing them as you are doing your normal major live stream. So that's basically it. If you have any question about the interfaces on the app or whatever you want to ask, just do not hesitate to just go straight to my description, to the description of this video rather, then join the group there. I'll be leaving my group link there. Join the group link. Then if you are new to if you are new to these apps, or you still have all you can do to, you can also join the group, join the WhatsApp group there. I'll be attending to every one of you via the WhatsApp group. So I think that's all. If you know you've gotten something from this video, do not forget, or do not hesitate to leave me a like on this video. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so you get notified whenever I post any videos relating to Popo or any apps that make money. So I'll be seeing you, and I'll be expecting a wonderful comment also. I'll see you guys in my next video.